Welcome to our channel. Here's a delicious vegan recipe you can make using an air fryer. Wait, before starting the weight loss video, I introduce you with Alpilean Weight Loss Supplement, which will help you to lose weight naturally. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn weight loss? Get Alpilean Weight Loss Supplement. Click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful review, please keep this video and thumbs up, share, comments, and subscribe my channel.